And we have a very special guest with us today.
Okay.
No, oh, you so mean.
Bye.
This is torture to this poor cat. He is right here.
You're recording. No, don't.
No, shake him out. Stop, shake him out.
I just want you to video record it.
Shake him out.
Come on.
We're having some technical difficulties.
No, wait. You gotta video record it. Oh, wait. Put it against my mirror now.
Okay.
Move those green shorts. Look, come here. Okay, stop it. I'll get it out. Hang on.
Oh my, get the poor little guy out.
I wish I could show you guys inside my pants because he's just looking up. Hello. Okay.
Alright, let's get this buddy out. Oh, there goes his tail. There's his tail.
Wait, stop. Get the camera. Get the camera.
Well, there's a tail of recovery. Now just keep on shaking.
Where's the camera? Help.
Oh crap, he's stuck. Aaron, he's stuck. Aaron, he's stuck.
Get him out.
I will. Aaron, see, there's not. There has to be. Oh my god. Aaron, get him out. Aaron, take off your pants.
Okay, I'll take him off. I'll take him off. Just don't video record. Don't video record me like the cat, but not me without my pants on. All right, buddy. Okay. Okay.
The birth of
My kitten.
Bye.